Well, I am in the middle of trimming this Nanking cherry, and I was trying to do something fancy with like lapse motion or whatever you call it. I just had to stop my project so I could film this. The dog is enjoying the bright red berries. Oh my gosh, is that ever cute? Are those yummy? Num 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 num. Well, I guess everybody needs a little bit of fruit. Good for the tummy. Num num. And they're super ripe, those last few. Well, maybe this is the video for tonight. Victoria's kitchen garden is also the dog's kitchen garden. Num num. I guess that's enough filming of that, but that's highly entertaining. I wonder if it's good views from over here. Yum yum. Is your tongue stuck on the branch? He never would have seen these berries if I hadn't trimmed the tree. So cute. Alright, well, I'm sure not everyone on the planet loves my dog, so good night, everyone. July 29th. It's been a hot day, smoky day, long day, and I gotta go pick beans because they are just going crazy right now. Anyway, this is highly entertaining for me. Good night. Yeah, just showing you all them beans that are in under here. It's full. Full of beans. They're just everywhere. So it's good. It's good. Gonna have a fair bit to pick tonight. Well, here's the harvest for tonight. 2 peas, a whole bunch of yellow beans, lots of them, more than we can eat raw tonight, and a feather. Birdie feather found in the yard. Little treasure. Good night. I hope you're all enjoying your own yards. You're still at it. He's gonna have the runs tomorrow. As I was cleaning out my peony, I found a little wheat. I have no idea how this got here in my yard. Let's see if I can focus it. Yeah, there we go. A wheat seed grew in my yard, and there's a little wheat head there. Isn't that funny? Maybe a bird brought it in or something. But I've got a couple of them, and they're all dried up. They're all dried up, and I'll just throw them in a little vase. They're kind of pretty. That's it, I promise. No more video for tonight.